Sup guys, claim this dot, and the other accessory for free. So first of all, join this game called The Block. Before starting, I'm using Mambo voice, because I'm out of 11 labs credits. So, in order to get the first cap, just join the game, and you will get the item. So for the second item, I need to vote on games developer and other. You can just do random selection, and you will get the item. And you will get the item. So, for the third item you need to join the nomination game. You can join any game. Let's join this one cause it looks funny. Okay, never mind. Let's join Shawarma Kiosk. After joining, just leave the game and join back to the block game. For the fourth one, you need to just take a screenshot using this button. Boom! Done! Now for the other item, just do the ABI.
What the hell? Hey yo, what the fuck?
Okay, so here's the item. Subscribe if this was helpful. And remember, Mambo is always watching.